Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can find your Raiffeisen bank account number. So here I'm currently on their official website. So here is the question, where can I find my account IBAN or the account number? So in the mobile banking, you just have to log into the application, and on the main page you click on the account. So in there you will see four tabs: the history, payments, products, and details. So you just have to click on the last tab, which is the detail. So in the detail tab, you can see the IBAN and the SWIFT code of your account. And on the internet banking, you just have to go to the www.rb.cz page and then click on the blue login button. So it looks something like this. So in the top right corner, and just log in into the internet banking. So you just have to select the account tab from the top menu, and then click on the account tile. And in the left menu, you can see the account details. So you click on that one and then tap on settings. And in there, you will find your account details, including your IBAN or account number. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!